Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing how to create a Galaxy VX solution through the new three-phase configurator for DC and facilities in the design portal. In order to do so, I'll log into the design portal with my Lotus Notes username and HTTP password. Once logged into the design portal, hover your mouse over the design tab and click on new solution. And this will land you up in the create new solution page. Herein, fill the mandatory details like name, customer email, and the country for which the solution will be created. Once done, scroll down the page and click on the three-phase UPS for DC and facilities configurator. On clicking on the configure button, this will take the user to the new Galaxy VX selector page. Here you can see the Galaxy VX offer structure is segregated into separate tabs for better usability. There is also a search option which will help the user to search SKUs by KVA ratings, part number, or by description. The info button next to the SKUs give detailed information about the UPS. You also have a warning section which will help the users to create correct solutions. The bill of material section will populate the user's selection items, and it will also give the total list price of the solution that the user has created. In order to create a single UPS system, user can select an UPS with certain KVA. On the selection of one UPS, the other UPS will be grayed out, and the warning section will be populated with suggestion which will help the users to create a correct solution. So in this case, we have selected a 500 kVA UPS, and also we can see that on selection of 500 kVA UPS, the assembly services SKU which is compatible with the 500 scalable to 750 kVA UPS has been added to the BOM, and also the warning section has been populated with two warnings. So let us see what are those warnings. So it is asking the user to select the correct bypass. So the user can go to the bypass cabinet and select the correct bypass. Also it is asking the user to connect the batteries to the UPS cabinet. So user can go to the battery cabinet, select the UPS, and enter the runtime. In this case, say 24 minutes of runtime. You can see once the user has given 24 minutes of runtime, the runtime which is below 24 minutes has been in red color and they are not available for selection, whereas the runtime above 25 or at 24 is available for selection. So in this case, we'll be selecting 7 cabinets. We'll be selecting say 7 cabinets of the battery. So the BOM, the battery cabinets has been added to the BOM. The user can then go to the toolbox section. This is an optional section where he can select the toolbox according to the number of batteries connected, and it will also be added to the BOM. And all the warnings has been gone here. So once the user is satisfied with the selection of the configuration, the user can click on the add button, and this will add a new system to the summary page with the name UPS system 1. User can also edit the system name. Also rename the system name. Also can leave comments for the approvers. User can also have a preview of a bill of material of all the selection that he has done. So in case the user wants to create another single UPS module, he can directly add on the add UPS button, and it will again lead the user to the Galaxy VX selector page where the user can select a UPS system with a different kVA rating. In this case, let's take as an example of 625 kVA ratings. So similarly, you can see the warnings has been popped out and asking for the maintenance bypass cabinet to be added, and also the batteries needs to be added. So the user can click on the bypass cabinet and select on the compatible maintenance bypass cabinet, and also go to the battery cabinet, select the UPS, enter runtime of say 15 minutes, select the battery cabinets, then go to the option pull box. Depending on the number of pull box cabinet that has been selected, you can select the corresponding pull box. And once again, if the again it is a correct solution, and if the user is satisfied with this configuration, he can go and add the system to the summary page. So far we have seen how to configure single UPS configuration. In case the user wants to create parallel UPS configuration, he can again go to the add UPS button. So we have a note here: when the quantity of the UPS is more than one, the tool assumes that the configuration is a parallel system and appropriate rules are applied. So if say in case the user wants to have parallel UPS of quantity 3 or 4, I will take 4 in this case. So you can see that 4 UPS has been added to the bill of material, and along with it 4 assembly service SKUs has been added to the BOM. And along with that, we also have 3 warnings where it is asking us to please add the accessory item, to add this appropriate custom SKU in the design portal, since the bypass cabinet won't be, since the maintenance bypass cabinet won't be compatible with the parallel UPS system. It is suggesting the user to add the custom QSQ system bypass cabinet through the design portal, and it is also asking the user to connect the batteries, just similar to how we did for the single UPS configuration. So we'll directly jump onto the battery cabinet, select the UPS and enter the required runtime, in this case 15. User can find a note over here is saying for more than one UPS configuration, the quantity of the selected battery will be multiplied by the quantity. So after giving a runtime of 50 minutes, say the user has selected 6 cabinets of this particular battery, so that would be multiplied with the 4 UPS systems, so that in total we will have 24 battery cabinets. Accordingly, you can the user can go to the pull box and select the corresponding or the compatible pull box. So since we have selected 6 battery cabinets, so we'll have 4 pull boxes selected for it, and then go to the accessory, select the parallel integrated cable. Here it's measured add 3 quantity, we'll add 3, and the warning has gone out. In the parallel UPS configuration, user won't be able to clear out all the warnings, because the user won't be able to add the system bypass cabinet through this configurator. They will have to go to the design portal to add the system bypass cabinet, which is a QSQ. So we can go ahead leaving this warning for a parallel UPS configuration and add this UPS. You can also find it says saying system contents warnings, click OK to continue adding, or cancel to be on the page. Since there is no way to add the QSQ in the configurator, we'll go ahead and click OK. And you can also find the parallel system being highlighted over here, and it's getting highlighted with a prefix exclamatory sign which says that the system contents warning. So you can leave a comment over here for the approvers so that they can add the QSQ or the custom system bypass cable through the design tool. The user can have a brief preview of the bill of material for each system on clicking on the bill of material button. User can also have a top view layout of the UPS system that the user has configured. We can see how the two single UPS systems are looking over here with the UPS maintainer bypass and the battery in the toolbox cabinet. And for parallel system, you can find that the 4 systems has been divided equally into 4 layouts. User has also the capability to download the SVG image or the image of the UPS system. So this is all the user can do in the summary page. Now if the user is satisfied with the configuration, the user can save the solution and return to design portal. In the design portal, the user will find this ISX solution number for the particular solution that he has created, the context details, the price. In the price section, they will find both the list price and the year view price. They will also find the design details, when it was updated, and the detailed design details in brief, saying which system is having what and how many quantity. Here they can find the design note where it is asking the 3-phase solution needs to be manually approval, and the solution contains warning. Please open it in this solution to validate before approving. This particular design note is particularly for the system bypass cabinet that we have left off for the parallel UPS system. In the solution overview page, the user can also click on the reports button where they can download this different type of reports like the code report, detailed code report, CTU report, part number shipment report, and shipment information report. And also we have a section for advanced report where the user can download the statement of work for the particular solution, which will help them in the bid process and going further. This zip folder will be downloaded this SOW will be downloaded as a zip folder, so the user can unzip them. So this is a SOW for the solution that the user has created. Also, here is an option to download the documents where he can download the mechanical drawings, electrical diagrams, bid specification brochures. That's all I have in this video. I hope the video will help the users to create Galaxy VX solution through the new 3-phase configurator. Thank you for visiting Design Portal. Thank you.